Guys, this is Milky Ways, and this is going to be, I don't know, the 5th server update video. But before I do that, I might as well show you guys on an application I made with Java for the purpose of updating my plugin very simply. Now, if any of you know Java, this is very simple, but I just needed one because I didn't want to go in and out of TextEdit every single time I had an update for my plugin. So I just put the the newest version. It just creates a text file, then I enter something like fixes spawn egg bug, update that, and then let's quit that. I click that, it opens it. It uses AppleScript to do that. And then, oh no, that's the wrong server. Go to this one, go to that, go there, and then I just drag and drop. Now I could edit it with this, but I mean, then I have to save it. That just got a little bit annoying. I'd rather just have it in this little GUI right here. Nice little output. Anyway, so that's that. So let's start with the server. We had a lot of problems with our host, but now we are back up pretty much for good, I would say. Looks like Andrew's on the server. I wanted to show you guys what I was doing over by the Warp Wild. Last video you saw, if you ever saw this warp, it was kind of, I don't know, warp was kind of shitty. There was a big ass building right here, another building right there, and there was nothing really over here being built. And so I pretty much just made this little pathway that goes through the Epic Face's mouth. It gives you lots of space to build. I also made some of this stuff right here. Some infrastructure, this bridge right here, I built that. Andrew right now, Andrew is boss. Boss is building a Dubai building. He is one of my in real life friends. And he likes building Dubai buildings. I guess he wants me to get on Skype, I bet. Yeah, it's pretty gross. Space, if you ever watch this video, don't ever do that again. Hello, creeper. You look familiar right there. Anyways, if you guys want to see the how I made the application, you can say this minute's 3 minutes, so I'll just spend the rest of the time just showing you how I built it. One class, one Java file. It is 206 lines. Pretty much what I did is I created a J application, I think. Then I just went to design, and this is really easy way to make Java applications. And basically you lay it out for what you want it to do, and then you just go into the code. You add a listener right here, and listener on both of these. When you click that, it runs some AppleScript telling Safari to open, CyberDuck to open. This output thing is basically the text is blank until you do something here, and then for all the try and catch errors, if it catches an error, it just displays it in the output. So that's that. I kind of like having an output. It's like a console. Consoles are nice. It lets you know what's happening. Without that output, making this application would probably take much longer, because what I was originally trying to do was hook it up directly with CyberDuck. No, not CyberDuck. Just hook it straight up to the FPT FTP. Had it open I can't talk. Have it open the file on the FTP server and just, make the changes there. Let's see. Okay, I gotta close it and reopen it. All this stuff in the middle was pretty much generated. But I didn't even have to type any of that. That is all auto-generated. What I did is I added this right here. Added the action listener. It gets the runtime and then it executes LC. And if I show you what LC is, it is basically a string array, and that's the command. That's AppleScript. Excuse me. Let's see. Oh, and this right here, update PHP was originally what it was supposed to do. Update a PHP file. Then I changed it to update a text file since it's a lot more easier to do. And then right here was supposed to be connecting to file output system. I couldn't find the file on the FTP client. It kept saying either permission denied or couldn't find the directory. So I gave up on that. I just save it to the desktop, and that's what it is. It throws an IO exception. If there's some sort of error, it sets the text pane to the e.get message, and that scared the shit out of me. So that's pretty much what it is. This other thing right here, I'm pretty sure all it does is, I think it's something to do with the design page. Pretty much this is my first application that has any real use to me. I mean, in order to make a Java application anything useful, you have to spend weeks on. I spent one day on that. Not even one day, like 3 hours. Lots of time here. I'm gonna stop the video now. If you guys like these videos, I'll just keep making more, I guess. So yeah, see ya.